Well look, I came here because I can network with so many people, with so many parts of the profession. There's specialists from every area, from all over the state and all over the eastern states. So this has been a great opportunity to discuss issues with my colleagues, learn about new things. So look, I thoroughly recommend it.
I definitely recommend MEDCON22 to other doctors that are interested because I think it's a really great opportunity for people to come together across WA and also from interstate to learn about the latest offerings that are from a medical perspective, and also it's an opportunity to network and to get to know people from interstate.
I think the good thing about this conference, maybe against other conferences, is that you do get a huge variety. So you do get to see all the different specialties, the opportunity to see things that you wouldn't normally see, because so many conferences are so specialised that you don't actually get the opportunity to see different specialties.
It was a great opportunity to meet clinicians outside of where I usually work, and do some networking and get some different ideas and perspectives, and yeah, just make some new friends, meet some new people, in addition to actually learning quite a few things in the non-clinical sphere.
I think the variety is really good and really exciting. So particularly when I looked at the program, I sort of thought, oh, there's actually a lot of different things and different avenues. And so I think it's really great because it caters to a really broad range of interests.
As AMA WA President, I'd like to thank all of you for attending MEDCON22. It's been a great event, definitely better than MEDCON21, believe it or not. It's been super with all of the content. More importantly, a chance to catch up with everyone. So thank you for attending and look forward to seeing you next year.